Well, 15 years. 15 years plus, actually. So, what do you do when you lose a job for 15 years? I was sad, but I have peace. I'm not sad that I lost the job, but I'm sad that I'm leaving my staff. As you know, I've been a nomad in my entire life, so I actually live here in that nice van. I gave up everything, even a comfortable place to live, but it's pretty comfortable. God is making me humble. So, what do you do when you just lost a job? As long as you have the Lord, you have peace because He is the ultimate planner of your life. He puts you in a place that He wants you to be and takes you out of the place that you were once there. So, this is actually the scripture that God gave to me today. John 14:27. And it says, "What I'm leaving with you is shalom, peace. I'm giving you my shalom, my peace. I don't give the way the world gives. Don't let yourselves be upset or frightened." God said, don't be upset or frightened. So I am confident that God is looking after me. So I don't know if you guys will start watching this vlog that I'm gonna do, but it would help me greatly since I don't have a job right now. But I'm gonna be talking about God, God alone. Yeshua HaMashiach, who saved my life. So how did He save my life? I was once with the world, and He took me out of the world, and now I'm fully immersed in His love. I can't stop talking about God. I can't stop talking about Yeshua. So, yeah, this is